Masarap yung pansit. So we're now inside our room here at Bai Hotel. So as you enter the room, to the left is a wardrobe. And may provided na robes. They also have laundry services. And for your valuables, meron ditong safety deposit box and my hair dryer. And just beside the wardrobe is the luggage area. And they also provide hotel sleepers. And right across is the toilet and bath, which I will show you later. Nakita ko muna sa inyo yung bedroom natin. And our room comes with a huge bed. And right across the bed, there's a television. And if you need assistance, meron ditong intercom. And if you're planning to work here, there's a work area. And meron ditong complimentary dried mangoes. I think they have a couple of restaurants dito sa Bai Hotel. Pero kung gusto nyo magpa-in-room dining, pwede rin. And by the way, itong suite natin is 54 square meters and it's very spacious. And for me, one of the highlights of staying here is the view. Natuwa talaga ako dito sa room natin. As what you can see, we get to enjoy the ocean view dito. And apart dito sa bedroom, our room also comes with a living room. So there's a living room set. I'm sure masarap lang mag-chill dyan and relax. And right across, meron ding television. And dito sa living room area, you also get to enjoy this beautiful view. Meron din tayo ditong mini pantry. If you love coffee like me, meron ditong coffee and tea set up. So may complimentary tea, coffee, of course may electric kettle, and meron ding complimentary bottled water. So I think pwede ka kumain dito sa loob ng room and you can heat the food here. So we have here a microwave oven, meron din tayo mini ref, and my coffee mugs. Okay, I'm done showing you the bedroom and the living room area. And check naman natin ngayon yung toilet and bath. So, kompleto na rin dito sa amenities. May dental kits, shaving kit, vanity kit, sanitary bag, and shower cap. And there's also hand wash and body lotion. And that's what you can see, very spacious din tong toilet and bath. So, there's the toilet. And over there is the shower area. Of course, may hot and cold shower. And provided na rin ang shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. Okay, we're done with our room tour and so far I really like our room dito sa Bai Hotel and I'm so grateful kasi hindi ito yung original room na binuo ko. Ang binuo ko is actually a deluxe room, but when I checked in earlier, the reception was so warm and so accommodating. Her name is Babes. She actually upgraded me to this beautiful suite. And as for the check-in process, by the way, ang check-in dito is 3 p.m. pero dumating ako ng maaga around 1 p.m. since galing lang tayo sa Philly Hotel. And they immediately accommodated me and nakapag-check-in agad tayo dito sa room. And by the way, ang original booking ko, ko yun sa Agoda. And since we are an Agoda ambassador, may extra discount pa tayo with my code OAW Agoda. So if you'll use my code, you can get up to 10% off on hotels. Yung maximum discount po is capped at $100 or around 5,900 pesos. And if you're a Klook user naman po, meron din po akong Klook Creator Shop where I've put together hotels. Meron din mga activities, may mga tours, airport transfers, and other travel essentials. Just visit my Klook Creator Shop. It's oawtravel.com. Pwede nyo rin pong scan yung QR code dito para ma-redeem nyo po yung mga discount coupons. And going back, I'm just so grateful that they upgraded me to this beautiful suite. And this is also special because this is a PWD-friendly room. As what I've shown you, napakalawak ng entire suite. And of course, designed for someone who's on a wheelchair, yung toilet and bath. And by the way, Bai Hotel is a 5-star hotel. So maraming mga amenities to. So labas na tayo ng room natin. I'll tour you around this beautiful hotel. Yan yung room natin, room 1527. We're now at the elevator area. Akit tayo sa 21st floor, check natin yung pool bar. And there's the pool here at Bai Hotel. And if you have kids, matutuwa sila dito. They also have a kiddie pool. If you smoke or you vape, nandito yung smoking area sa 21st floor dito sa pool bar. Okay, bumalik na tayo sa loob. Medyo mainit sa labas. So let's continue exploring this hotel. Tayo galing sa pool bar and baba naman tayo sa 5th floor. Check natin yung fitness center and other amenities here. They have art gallery rin pala dito. So there's the art gallery. Hindi ko nabibidyohan kasi baka bawal. Punta na lang tayo sa gym. Bumubulong lang ako kasi sobrang tahimik dito. So there's the gym, may mga tao so hindi na tayo papasok. And there's the kids room. If you love massage, meron din pala silang spa dito. And there's their business center. And there's the reception area. And meron din ditong lobby lounge. And if you're bringing a car, meron po silang designated parking dito sa basement. And there's the entrance of Bai Hotel. By the way, itong Bai Hotel is technically located in the North Reclamation Area of Cebu, and this is technically between Mactan Island and Cebu City. So maganda yung location ng hotel na to. I checked Google Maps earlier. This is 7.6 kilometers away from Mactan Airport. Pag walang traffic, it's only 13-minute drive. And kung pupunta naman po kayo ng SM City Cebu, this is only 3.4 kilometers away from SM or 7-minute drive without traffic. And may malapit rin po na hospital dito, yung Chonghua Hospital, which is 1.7 kilometers away from here and 4-minute drive lang without traffic. And if you want to go to Cebu IT Park without traffic, mga 15 minutes away lang tong Bai Hotel. So if you're looking for a hotel na malapit lang sa Mactan and at the same time near the Cebu City Center, this is a perfect hotel for you. And if you're a senior po, this hotel is also senior friendly, and as what I've shown you, this hotel is also PWD wheelchair friendly. And natuwa din ako, napansin ko lang kanina na dalawa yung peephole dito sa door ng room natin. May isang normal peephole and may isang mas mababa for guests na naka-wheelchair. And by the way, kung plan nyo po mag-workation dito sa Bai Hotel, they have a Wi-Fi here and it's time to check the internet speed. Look at the pool here at night. Good morning! It's our second day na dito sa Bai Hotel. And natuwa ko kasi marami ring food options dito sa buffet breakfast nila. Though personally, wala ako masyadong mapatungan ng plate habang kumukuha ako ng food. So medyo challenging for me kumuha ng food dito. But it's okay. Nakuha ko naman yung mga gusto ko. Tara, kain tayo. Masarap yung pansit dito. Check out na tayo dito sa Bai Hotel. By the way, yung check-in dito is 3 p.m. and check-out is 11 a.m. the next day. And before we begin with our review, I just want to say na nagustuhan ko rin yung buffet breakfast dito. Maganda yung buffet setup nila, maluwag, hindi tulad sa iba na parang diretso lang and makikipagsiksikan ka. Maraming mga options yung breakfast dito, may Korean, Indian, at marami pang iba. But for me, nagustuhan ko yung Filipino section kasi yun yung mga typical na kinakain natin mga Pinoy tuwing breakfast. And please do note lang, if you're staying here for buffet breakfast, the earlier the better kasi nagiging busy yung buffet breakfast pag late na. And first is the location. Itong Bai Hotel is technically located here in Mandaue. It's technically between Mactan Island, natanaw natin from our room, and the BC Cebu City. Maganda tong location ng Bai Hotel in the sense that malapit sa airport and malapit din sa city proper. And we all know that dito sa Cebu City, parang Manila na rin, it gets traffic during busy hours. So pag may hinahabol po kayong flight, maganda tong location ng hotel na to. And maganda rin tong hotel na to if you're planning to tour around Cebu City. And next is the room. So we stayed here sa one-bedroom suite nila. Sabi ng reception, it's a premier suite. And as what I've shown you, it's very spacious. It has its own living room. And by the way, special room pala to sa Bai Hotel because this is room for PWDs and they call this one as handicap room. Kasi perfect to those who are on wheelchair. And for me, one of the highlights is you get to have the ocean view. At the same time, kitang-kita mo din yung Mactan Island dito. And by the way, nagbook ako ng stay ko dito sa Bai Hotel through Agoda because yun yung pinakamura when I checked online. Plus, may extra discount pa tayo with my discount code OAW Agoda. So if you're booking in Agoda and gagamitin nyo po yung code ko, you can get up to 10% off on hotels worldwide. And yung discount is capped at $100 or around 5,900 pesos. And by the way, if you're booking tours, transfers, or eSIMs, available din po yan sa Agoda. And may discount code din po ako sa Agoda for activities. It's OAW Activity. And if you're a Klook user naman po, meron din po akong Klook Creator Shop where I've put together hotels. Meron din mga activities, may mga tours, airport transfers, and other travel essentials. Just visit my Klook Creator Shop. It's oawtravel.com. Pwede nyo rin pong scan yung QR code dito para ma-redeem nyo po yung mga discount coupons. And mention ko na rin po since nasa Cebu tayo and the main hub of Sunlight Air is dito sa Cebu. So if you're taking a flight ng Sunlight Air going to, let's say, Siargao, Clark, Camiguin, I'm also part of the Sunlight Air squad and you can also get up to 10% off on your flights with Sunlight Air. Just use my code OAW Sunlight 10. And going back to our review, next is the customer service. I should say that di talaga ako nag-expect masyado sa service dito sa Bai Hotel, but I was really surprised. Ang ganda ng customer service nila dito. All the staff here are warm and accommodating. And typically sa mga high-end hotels, they never fail to greet you and smile at you. Same goes dito sa Bai Hotel, and they even go extra mile because apart from greeting you and smiling at you, they also say, have a good day, have a great stay. And may mga na-encounter din ako ng staff dito na nagtatanong, how's my stay here? At isa pa pala na appreciate ko rin na nung pagpasok ko dito sa room, tumawag agad yung reception, checking out if I need anything, or checking out kung okay ba ako sa room. So for me, napakaganda ng experience dito sa Bai Hotel because of the customer service. And lastly, the value for money. For me, you really get the value of your money if you're staying here sa Bai Hotel. Imagine, maganda yung rooms nila, maganda yung location, and superb yung service. And if you're someone who's looking for a hotel na malapit sa city at the same time malapit din sa airport, and you're really particular with the things I mentioned earlier, this is a perfect hotel for you.